Hey, did you miss Shiba Inu token and Dogecoin? Well, if you missed this tree, I got something new today to share with you guys in this video, and it is the new Kishu Inu coin.
Welcome to the video in Crypto Gems. This is the disclaimer of the video, and remember that this is not a professional advice.
We're going to go through the charts, the website, just to understand a bit more about this new meme coin and how it can benefit you if you buy it right now.
So Kishu Inu is on CoinGecko as of now, and in the past 24 hours it is down by 17.5%, but over the 30 days it has been up by 904%. So it has a trading volume of approximately 17 million, and it has this logo on CoinGecko which is like a cute little dog. And this is the official website of Kishu Inu. So as per the website, Kishu Inu is a community-based decentralized cryptocurrency with instant reward for holders. Join the Moon mission. So you can buy the Kishu coin here, or you can read the white papers just to get a more idea about how this cryptocurrency works. And these are their social handles. You can also take a look at them and follow them just to stay updated about this new meme coin. You can also buy Kishu Inu coin on Uniswap, just like how you bought Shiba Inu coin. So how can you get instant rewards using Kishu Inu? So for every transaction in Kishu's network, whenever like you're buying or selling, 2% of the transaction is distributed to existing holders. That means you earn Kishu just by holding it in your wallet. It is also community powered. So Kishu is fully decentralized and owned by its fun and vibrant community, and they welcome and embrace diverse perspective to build Kishu into the best community in crypto. It is also completely safe and secure. So Kishu has been audited and its Liquidity Pool token have been heard. That means zero risk to our investors from potential bad actors. You can also see the security audit to get more information about it. How to buy Kishu Inu? So for that, you need a MetaMask wallet. So Kishu token is available on the Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask is the market leader in ERC20 wallets. On Google Chrome, you gotta visit this website to download the extension and set up a wallet. And on mobile, you can get the app on the iPhone or Android. So that's basically the step one. So step two, you're gonna send Ethereum to MetaMask. So you're gonna buy the Ethereum through MetaMask or transfer it to your MetaMask wallet address from another wallet, which is either Coinbase or Binance. And then step three, you're gonna visit the Kishu Swap. So you can currently buy Kishu on Kishu Swap, which is a Kishu's official decentralized exchange where you can swap any ERC20 token. And the step 4, you're going to swap Ethereum for Kishu. So you're going to enter the amount of Ethereum you would like to swap for Kishu, and you're going to click connect wallet and then swap. The tokenomics. So next we have tokenomics and stats. So the token symbol is Kishu, and you get 2% reward per transaction, and we have a total supply of 100 quadrillion. That's like 100x of SafeMoon, and which is absolutely crazy. Also the fact that right now it has 150,000 holders, which is really amazing, considering the fact that this token is comparatively new. And the market cap is right now 0.299 billion, which means it's around 299 millions. And they also plan to build something called Kishu Swap, which is a decentralized exchange. So it gives holders the ability to swap any ERC20 token for another one. It is powered by Uniswap, which is the safest and most trusted DEX in the world. Furthermore, it acts as a foundation from which we will build additional features, functionalities exclusive to Kishu holders. So Kishu was launched in April 17, 2021, which is a month ago, and quickly became one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies of 2021. This Moonmap is a breathing document that lays out key milestones we plan to hit to continue our rapid growth. So we have phase 1 of the launch, which is complete. So they have 1,000 holders, the website launch, CoinGecko listing, 2,000 Telegram members, community marketing fund, and 5,000 holders. Even the phase 2, which is the growth stage, is complete as of now. So they have 5,000 Telegram members, website redesign, 10,000 holders, 20,000 holders, and 10,000 Telegram members. So the phase 3, which is the expansion phase, is also complete. So they have reached 15,000 Telegram members, they have 30,000 holders, and they have a listing on all these platforms. And there is a phase 4, which is right now in progress, which is the utility stage. So for this stage, the goal is to get 100k holders, to get a Kishu paw print, Kishu swag, which is merchandise store, 50,000 Telegram members, and influencer marketing partnerships. So is this a paid sponsor video? No, it's not. So I really like to talk about the meme coins. I love Shiba Inu coin, and that's why when Kishu Inu was on the map, I was really curious about it and I thought to share my views with you guys on this video. So Kishu Inu is a really great meme coin which I feel has the potential to grow a lot more in future. However, it's still in the early stages, so I do not recommend you to put like more than 5% of your portfolio. And please do your own due diligence before putting any sort of money in cryptocurrencies, and try to buy the coins when the timing is right, which is when the price is low, and try to sell it when the price is high, which is essentially the whole principle around which trading works. So if you take a look at the 30-day chart, you're going to see that Kishu Inu is currently at a lower price, and that is because the market was panicking and the entire negative attitude towards everything crashing in the market, and that resulted in this. So right now it could be a good time to go in because the price is low. However, when the market gets hyped up and if the price reaches over here, I do not recommend anybody to get into that price, because that is usually the point when people will start selling cryptocurrencies, so you probably might not make that much of a profit. So right now would be a great time just to put some money in and observe the market. And again, cryptocurrencies are quite volatile, the price goes up and down a lot, so try to put only little money that you feel is the word that you can take risk with it. So like I said, since this is a new currency, don't try to put more than 5% of your portfolio. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it helpful. Till then, take care, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.